Moving on, Prime Minister Narendra Modi received ceremonial welcome and guard of honor at State House. The PM received a 21-gun salute at the ceremonial welcome in Namibia. You have the visuals on your screens, and we have Rishabh joining us on the broadcast with more details on the significance of this ceremony. Yes, Rishabh.
Of the Five Nation Tour, where he has received the fourth state honor, the highest state honor that Namibia might accord on him. The news is just coming in via sources that Namibia is all set to accord the highest honor from Namibia. In the last four countries that he has visited, be it Ghana, be it Trinidad and Tobago, be it Argentina or be it Brazil, he has received three highest state honors, and also in Argentina, the key to the city of Buenos Aires. So in a way, 26 national honors that he has received worldwide in 12 years of his stint as Prime Minister of India. This showcases the brand India going forward and how world perceives India and Indian leadership. Remains to be seen how things unfold from here on. Prime Minister is also going to travel to UK and Maldives later this month, so making it seven this month itself. In the month of July, you'll have 7 countries visited by Prime Minister. In a way, a unique record being held by the Prime Minister himself. But definitely the longest diplomatic visit for Prime Minister in the last 12 days comes to an end later today when he takes off from Namibia for India at around 9:35 p.m. India time. He'll be taking off from Namibia to India. But the way things have happened, if we talk about Namibia and Ghana, the way India's Africa push, or for that matter, India's vocal advocacy for Global South has come to fore, is something that India would like to continue.
All right, Rishabh, thank you for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break.